Welcome to the Product Teardown series by E-Teams. Today, we're taking a closer look inside the Ring Video Doorbell Wired. Let's first take a quick look at the sleek exterior design. Now, let's open it up and see what's hiding inside this device. We begin by popping off the cap at the bottom. Here, you'll find a T6 torque security screw. Loosen it, and the front faceplate easily comes off. Carefully disconnect the internal connectors. Continue by removing additional T6 and T4 torque screws to detach the camera module from the Ring Doorbell 2. Then, remove 2 more screws and unseal this section to free the speaker. The camera lens can now be removed with ease. Next, remove the T3 torque screws securing the front plate. Pull out the button cable, release the side clips, and lift out the main board. On the board, we can see the circular front LEDs, along with the IR LEDs. Thanks for joining us in this teardown. For more teardown insights and product innovations, visit our website below.